What is up, guys? It's me here. So I have to say this, even though it might be a little bit harsh, but most of you are not growing on YouTube right now because you suck. But don't worry, that's okay. That's why this video exists, because today I'm going to show you why you're not growing, the real reason. And if you actually follow these steps that I'm about to share with you, then maybe, just maybe, you can start seeing some results, because you know what? It doesn't have to be this way. In fact, just last week I helped this creator implement these strategies, and they gained over 200,000 subscribers in just 7 days. And I literally just helped them with this strategy yesterday. They gained another 300,000 subscribers in just 1 day. And if you pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you, then you can expect similar results as well. Although before we go into that, I need you to do me a quick favor and smash the subscribe button down below. Seriously, it takes you just a split second and helps out tremendously. That being said, let's begin. First, I need you to understand something. Whenever a new video is uploaded to YouTube, there is an equal playing field where every single video has the opportunity to be pushed out to the masses. But unfortunately, most creators end up making a critical mistake that ends up costing them thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views for their video. In fact, let me show you the exact analytics of a video that was posted recently. As you can see, the video got 2.4 million views within the first 7 days. However, after the first 7 days, the views started to tank big time. And within the next 7 days, the video only got 420,000 views. And if we continue this trend, the video would have only gotten 16 million views after 28 days, which would be horrible. Fortunately, however, I knew exactly what to do and how to fix it. So starting at around day 7, I began commenting on the video whenever I saw new viewers asking questions or leaving comments on the video. For example, when I saw this person asking a question about the third-party software I used in the video, I took my time and I responded to her comment with a detailed answer. I did this repeatedly throughout the next couple days, consistently engaging with the audience. And once again, I did the same thing on another video, and within 7 days it skyrocketed the views from 400,000 all the way to 2.9 million views within just the first 7 days. And to make things even more impressive, the video is still going strong and has already racked up nearly 6 million views after only 14 days. Now, to explain exactly what's happening, you have to understand how the YouTube algorithm really works. Every time someone watches a video, leaves a like, comment, or subscribes, that tells YouTube that people enjoy your content. And as a result, they'll begin pushing your content out to a larger audience. However, the problem with this is that it takes time. See, when a video is first uploaded, it's gonna take anywhere between 3 to 7 days before YouTube sees enough data to determine whether or not people are actually interested in the content. This is why you'll notice a huge spike in views during the first few days, but then it'll drop off significantly after that. But if you keep getting new viewers to interact with your videos by responding to comments, answering questions, and creating engaging content, then YouTube will see that people are interested and they'll continue pushing it out to a larger and larger audience. The only issue with this, though, is that it takes time. But if you want to speed up the process, there are 3 proven ways to do it. Number 1, get more people talking about your content. When someone else makes a video about your video, that tells YouTube that people are interested in your content and that it's worth pushing out to a larger audience. In fact, a video could be posted 10 years ago, and if someone decides to make a video about it, then all of a sudden it's going to be pushed out to a brand new audience. Just think about all the re-uploaded TikTok compilation videos on YouTube. There's nothing new or original about them, but because they're constantly getting new viewers to watch, comment, like, and subscribe, it's continually getting pushed out to a larger and larger audience. Now, I know that might sound easy, But the truth is, you have to be somewhat viral or popular for other people to talk about your content. Fortunately, though, there is a way to work around this, and that would be number 2. Pay attention to what's currently trending. If you post a video about something that's currently trending, then chances are the video is gonna do well, because YouTube will assume that people are interested in it. Like, for example, this creator posted a video about the Oscar slap and it got 4.3 million views. But if they would have posted the same video a few weeks later, it probably would have only gotten a couple 100,000 views. The same exact thing happened with Mr. Beast, where he posted a video about the Will Smith slap, and it got 4.8 million views. But if he would have waited a few weeks to post it, it probably wouldn't have done nearly as well. Now, this isn't to say that you should always capitalize on current events, but it is important to jump on trends when you can. I mean, just look at this video. Even though it was posted 3 years ago, it still gets over 100,000 views every single day simply because it's about something that's currently trending. But when it comes to capitalizing on a trend, there is no better example than the creator. Not only does he have a team dedicated to finding trending topics, but he's also able to produce a video so fast that it's almost impossible to compete with. For example, when the whole world was talking about the Will Smith slap, he produced a video that got 4.3 million views in just 24 hours. And that's why it's extremely difficult to compete with somebody who's posting multiple times a day, has a team dedicated to finding trending topics, and has the experience and knowledge to produce a video quickly. But luckily for you, there is a way to work around this, and that would be number 3. To post at the right time. You see, when you upload a video to YouTube, the more people that watch it within the first few minutes, the more likely it's going to be pushed out to a larger audience. That's why I recommend posting your best content at the time that your target audience is actually online. After all, why would you post a video at 3 a.m. when nobody is online to see it? Unfortunately, though, most small channels don't take advantage of this. I mean, just look at this video. Even though it's a great video and it's done really well, it could have done significantly better had they posted it at the right time. As you can see, they posted it at 1 p.m., and if we look back on their analytics, we could have easily doubled the amount of views that they got had they posted it just a couple hours earlier. Same goes for this video. They posted it at 6 p.m. when their audience was clearly not online. And as a result, the video didn't do nearly as well as it could have. In fact, I've analyzed hundreds of channels, and the average channel is leaving a minimum of 50% of views on the table by not posting at the right time. That means half of the people that could have watched your video never even saw it because you posted it at the wrong time. Fortunately, though, this is a very easy fix. All you have to do is look at your analytics, find out when your target audience is online, and schedule your videos accordingly. In fact, I'd go as far as to say that this is one of the easiest ways to double the amount of views that you get. And that's just a small fraction of what you could be doing. Now, I could sit here all day and tell you about all the different ways you can grow on YouTube, but that would take hours, and you would probably get distracted and stop watching the video anyway. With that said, you should check out the next video I have linked up here. It's my full guide on how to grow on YouTube in 2022. It's jam-packed with every single thing you need to know to start getting results, so make sure to check it out now. Also, feel free to add me on social media. I post there every single day, so if you want to see a brand new video from me every single day, then make sure to add yourself to that. That said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.